This is the BLUAMP 90 home stereo Bluetooth receiver amplifier with 2 microphone inputs, an aux phono input, a HDMI input, an optical input, and more. This receiver puts out an incredible 2x50 watts and will power 4 8-ohm speakers through parallel wiring, 2 4-ohm speakers, or 2 8-ohm speakers. On top of that, there are RCA outputs so you can send the signal to a powered subwoofer, soundbar, or any other powered speaker in your setup. But you're probably wondering what this sounds like, so let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up for us.
What's up, guys? So I have my BLUAMP 90 all set up and ready to go, and I'm running 2 speakers per channel with 2 speakers right here and 2 speakers up top there. I have my phone connected to the amp through Bluetooth, so let's hear how the amp sounds. Oh yeah, sounds really good. We can turn it up a little bit more. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. Sounds so good. So the amp sounds really good to start, but we also have an EQ button here where we can go through different EQ presets to change how the amp sounds. What's also really cool is that we have 2 1/4-inch mic inputs so we can connect 2 microphones into the amp. So I'll turn on my mic now. Check 1, 2, and you'll hear my voice coming out of the speakers. We can also fine-tune the sound of our voice coming through the speakers with the treble and bass knob. We can also throw in some extra flair with the echo knob to give our voice a cool echo effect. Woo! And lastly, we have the HDMI and optical input to connect a TV, gaming system, and much more. This makes the BLUAMP 90 really great for karaoke setups since we can connect a TV and a couple of microphones into the system. And then from there we can go into the YouTube app of our TV, search for any karaoke version of a song, plug in our microphones, and get to singing some karaoke. And of course we can add the echo knob for some extra flair, activate some star power, and rock out the karaoke. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold. Woo!
The front of the unit features the power button and a blue lit LED display. On the right side of that are buttons to change the mode, go back or to the next song, play, pause, repeat, and then select one of the preset EQs. As you saw in the demo, there are 2 microphone inputs where you can plug in mics with a 1/4-inch mic cable. From there you have these knobs over here to control the mic functions. There is a mic volume knob to control the level of both microphones, an echo knob to control how much echo you want on your voice, and then a bass and treble knob that will change the overall sound of the system, including the tone of the mics. So you can really fine-tune the music and the mics around your preference. Next to that is a 3.5mm headphone jack with a button to switch the BLUAMP 90 from speakers to headphones. And then we have the master volume knob to control the overall level of the BLUAMP 90. There's also an included remote that allows you to control many of the functions on the BLUAMP from the comfort of your couch. And since this receiver is also an amplifier that can power your passive speakers, it's perfect for home theater setups, conference room and waiting room setups, small coffee shops, restaurants and bars, and any commercial setup where you just want a simple and easy to use receiver with your speakers. On the back of the unit, we have our speaker output terminals that accept bare speaker wire, and in the middle we have our digital inputs of coaxial and optical, as well as an HDMI ARC input, so that you can connect this receiver to your TV and use it in a home theater setup. There's an RCA aux input for your DVD or Blu-ray player, or even if you want to connect a laptop or iPod/MP3 player through a wired connection. And this also acts as the phono RCA input, so you can connect a record player and get pristine sound quality. All you have to do is click this button over here to switch it from aux to phono mode. And then on the front of the unit there are SD and USB inputs so that you can play music off of those formats. And as you saw in the demo, this unit also includes Bluetooth. The BLUAMP 90 is the perfect centerpiece of your home theater setup, conference room receiver, office music playback system, or even as you saw in the demo, a fully fledged karaoke system, especially when you use the mic inputs and echo control. So if you're looking for a stereo Bluetooth amplifier receiver, look no further than the BLUAMP 90 from Rockville.